Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, the grandmas, the aunties, and caregivers with the secret superpowers. Today, we celebrate you, the real heroes, the ones who don't wear capes, but carry bags full of Band-Aids, snacks, and encouraging advice. The ones who know something's wrong just by hearing us say, "I'm fine." Thank you for your love that doesn't quit even when we're exhausted, even when you're exhausted. You love us through it all. Hugs with emotional Wi-Fi, scoldings that sound like you're yelling, but it's wrapped in life lessons, and saving days, moods, and generations without asking anything in return from us. We know you've been our psychologist, our chef, our driver, our nurse, our therapist, and our angel, all in one lifetime. And still you made us feel loved, even on our worst days. Thank you, moms. You are love in action. And that, mama, is the most powerful moment of all. Happy Mother's Day with all our love. The Mindful Love Movement, where your love lives on in every heart you've ever touched. Thank you to all the moms.